Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, Pamasigur Channel, a Fitiler, also a Tarider. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is an urgent pasilip. No? An urgent pasilip mo, no, para kay PBBM. No, hagilapin natin na tuklasin natin maaring masagot na sa energy niya. So once again, ito ay pawang gabay lamang. No, upang masilbi yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa kanya sa hinahanap o magsilbing gabay sa kanya. No, upang malaman niya yung mga bagay na dapat niya iwasan o hindi kaaya-aya, no, na maaring maganap or mangyari. So guys, let's see. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads, so pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices no, ng ating angel spirit no, para sa ating president na si President Bongbong Marcos Jr. Let's see and watch this. Hagilapin natin at tuklasin natin maaring masasagap na sa energy niya. Angel Spirit, please give your information. So there's a temperance. So there's something divine intervention na may mga paalala sa kanya dito na kailangan niya mag-pay attention. With the page of one, so there's a good news. May magandang balita. Na may balita na maaring dumating sa kanya ngayon. There's a messages, phone call coming in. Na may mga paalala lang dito na kailangan niyang, kumbaga maging kalmado or kailangan niyang maging mahinahon sa mga magiging decision. Kasi may mga information daw na darating dito. And there's a strength card with a confidence. So see, there's a strength card for a confident. No? Kailangan niya lakasan ng loob niya, maging matapang siya. Alisin na alinlangan at takot at pangamba. With a hermit card, there's a something spiritual awakening. So may mga bagay na parang lilitaw or lilinaw, no? Yung mga bagay na kailangan niyang gawin or may mga bagay na liliwanag, no? Sa bagay na gusto niyang gawin, no? Parang, kumbaga magkakaroon siya ng realization dito, no? Kumbaga may isip niya yung mga bagay na magiging advantage and disadvantage ng bawat eksena na gagawin niya. And there's a star card, more on healing, and there's a wish fulfillment. No? See? There's a star card na parang unti-unti na matutupad. Ano man yung bagay na gusto niya mangyari. Talaga may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan niya talaga. Let's see additional messages. Now, there is something, guys, with a Three of Pentacles. There's a collaborations. Now, there's a lot of communications. Now, maraming mga makakasalamuha siya, makakasama siya. Meron ditong investment. Nasa-sense ka, may investment dito. Now, there is something, multiple people na maaaring meron siya makakahalubilo with other countries, no? Maraming mga kumbaga maaring investor or maaring mag-invest no sa ating bansa. Well, there's a Three of Pentacles for collaboration. What is the temperance? Now, there's a Four of Cups, no? Just reevaluate or analyze na may mga bagay na kailangan niya pag-isipang mabuti with a temperance na para may paalala sa kanya, no, na kumbaga kailangan niyang kumbaga pag-isipan muna, no, yung bawat action or decision na gagawin niya. Takes time, no? Now, let's see what is the Page of Wands. What is the Page of Wands? Represent what? There's a Page of Pentacles. See, itong magandang balita na to, it's all about investment. No? There's a Page of Pentacles and there's an investment. No? May malaking investors or malaking investment na maaaring mangyari at may magandang balita na maaaring magkaroon ng magandang outcome. So, there's a Two of Swords. Sa kailangan niya mag-decision dito. No? There's something, a difficult decision, no? Kailangan niyang kung magalakasan ng loob niya, maging matapang siya, alisin niyo alinlangan at takot niya. With a Hermit card, alamin natin, what is the Hermit card? The Hermit card represents with the King of Cups. Ay, there is something in ancestor guides. Now, may gumagabay talaga sa kanya dito, yung maon niyang, yung tatay niya, ginagabay talaga siya dito with a Hermit card. There's a spiritual lines or there's a spiritual awakening. There's a spiritual journey. So, with the King of Cups, there's a devoted for the person na may sumusuporta talaga sa kanya. Now, I feel something ancestor stop. With a Star card, represent what? Represent with the Empress card. There's a revert. Now, meron ditong parang, kumbaga, there's something, a Wheel of Fortune, there's something, a Star card, na parang meron siyang gustong mangyari, no? Or meron siyang pangarap na gustong maganap or may sa katuparan. There's a revert. No, ibig sabihin ng revert na parang there's a renewal na marirenew, no? Ano man yung bagay na gusto niyang gawin or pangarap niya na gustong may sa katuparan. I feel something may kaugnayan to sa electricity, something like that, na mayroong ma-revealed, no, revealed, Na parang may sa aayos, may bubuhayin. No, there's an Empress card for a blessing. Empress card, there's something fertility na parang, kumbaga, kasi fertility about sa babae na parang may pagbubuntis, no, gano'n. Pero there's something, clarification with the star card, na parang mayroong bubuhayin na panibagong eksena, na parang, kumbaga, marirenew lamang, no? Ito, I feel something yun yung about sa, nakita niya may water, no? Na may tungkol din siya sa tubig at may tungkol din siya sa electricities, gano'n. So there is a Three of Pentacles, referencing with the Wheel of Fortune, there is a turning back, no? Etong mga investor na to, or something, a collaboration, it's about to happen. So talagang mangyayari talaga siya, there's a Wheel of Fortune. So magiging maganda at magiging maayos ang kalalabasan talaga dito. Now there's a destiny and good luck, no? What is the Temperance? Because the Four of Cups. Referencing with the Ten of Pentacles, there's something at long-term success. Now there's a Ten of Pentacles about sa pamilya, no? Meron siyang kailangan pag-isipang mabuti, no? Na kailangan i-evaluate, no? Pag-isipang mabuti, na kailangan kalmahin, no? Meron tungkol about sa money matter, no? About sa pera, na may tungkol about sa pamilya. Ganon. So, there's a Page of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. Represent, guys, with the Seven of Swords, there's a sneakiness. Na mag-ingat siya. No, there's a sneakiness. No, may kumukuha ng information dito. No, may kaugnayan din to about sa investment, no? About sa investors. No, mag-ingat siya dito. No, kasi may mga, there's a spy, no? May mga kumukuha ng information talaga. Now, there is a strength card because the Two of Swords. Represent with the King of Wands. So there's a vision. Look at the bigger picture. So sinasabi dito na tingnan niya yung buong detalye. O parang tingnan niya yung magiging kalalabasan, yung buong mukha. Ganon. Kumbaga there's a pieces by pieces, no, bubuin niyo ng hanggang sa makita niya yung whole picture. So pinapakita dito na lagi niyang pakakatandaan na titingnan yung disadvantage and advantage ng bawat eksena. Or sa madaling salita, yung consequences. Now, what is the Hermit card? With the King of Cups. Represent with the Death card. Sabi ko na eh. Diba? Ito yung death card na sinasabi ko kanina na patay na maaaring ginagabay siya. There's an ancestor guides, no, ang kanyang ama. There's a death card, the King of Cups, and there's a Hermit card. Sabi ko sa inyo guys no, ginagabay siya ng tatay niyang yumao sa buhay. No? There is something, ancestors, no? Yun nga yun. So let's see what is the Star in the Empress card. Now, represent, guys, with the Eight of Swords. Oy! There is a lot of toxic and negativities around. So, ibig sabihin dito, no, may plano siyang buhayin yung dating project. But there's a lot of toxic and negativities around. So, napapalibutan daw ng toxic at negative ang ating president. So, maraming mga taong, kumbaga, nasa paligid pa niya, no, na kailangan talagang baklasin or tanggalin. There is a Three of Pentacles in the Wheel of Fortune represented with the chart card. There is an action and movement. Magkakaroon daw ng changes and development sa situations niya. Now, let's see. And there's a Five of Pentacles. So, see? Now, meron daw ditong about sa financial. O meron siya mababawi. Now, may mga mababawi pa dito ng mga about sa financial. No? May tungkol about sa kumbaga, kinuha or nakuha, no, sa kanila about sa money matter, ganyan. And there's a justice card. There's a justice will be served. Makukuha yung justice. No, makukuha yung hustisya dito. At meron ditong, kumbaga, kumukuha ng information, gato, ganyan, pero kakarmahin. Yung sasabutahihin niya, no, yung plano na to, pero at the end of the time, parang, kumbaga, siya mismo ang mapupunta sa situation eh. Parang meron taong sasabutahin sa kanya. But at the end of the time, no, parang, there's a karma. It's all about karma. Tulad na sinasabi ko, ngayong taon na to, hanggang December 10, no, ay maaaring, kumbaga, it's all about karma. What goes around comes around. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat po kayo, no, sa bawat ginagawa nyo. Dahil itong taon na to ay puno ng hustisya at puno ng karma. And there's a hyphen. Now, there's something, a lesson learned. Meron bagay dito na kailangan pakakatandaan. Now, ano man yung bagay na nangyari from the past, kailangan niya isalang-alang niya para hindi na ma-repeat yung cycle. No, ganon. So, let's see what's the Hermit and the King of Cups with a Death card. Represent, guys, with a Hiephysys. Ay, there's a mystery. Na meron daw ditong misteryo pa na maaaring malaman niya, no, tungkol sa kanyang ama. So maraming bagay na parang matutuklasan niya pa dito. And of course, there's something with it, something, family. See? So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a ten of cups about sa family yan, guys. No? There's an happiness at the same time. There's an eight of sword. Kaya natukoy ko na family yan, there's an eight of sword. Nasa paligid niya. Ibig sabihin, there's a member of the family na maaaring toxic at negative. No? At maaaring, kumbaga, nakakakuha ng information pa din sa kanya. Kung ano man yung bagay na ginagawa, at there's something to plan. So, kung may mga plano siya, sinasabotahin siya nito sa bawat gagawin niya, no, against sa tao na to, ganon. So let's see what is the Three of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune with the Chariot card. Represent, guys, with the World card. No, there's something in trouble. So marami, alis ang ating president. No, pupunta siya ng ibang bansa to collaboration. No, marami siyang maaaring makommunicate or marami siyang makakasalamuha at makakausap pa regarding sa investment. Ay, powerful. So let's see. What is the guide? Ano yung bagay na gusto sabihin ng ating angel spirit towards him? No? Na magsisilbing gabay sa kanya. No, regarding sa ating economy, industry, there's a sense of with the sabotage. No, mayroon daw sumasabotage. There's a betrayal. No, there's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a potential for abundance with the Nine of Pentacles. May potential siya para maging malago, para maging maganda. Nakita mo to, there's a parrot na nagre-represent sa parang may nagtotalk, may nagsasalita, may naghatid na information. At itong tao na to ay sabotage. No, sinasabotahin niya. And there's a Six of Wands, pero malalaman pa rin kung sino itong tao na to na tagahatid ng informasyon. And there's a Knight of Swords. Magkakaroon siya ng anxieties. Ibig sabihin, may stress ng tao na to at the end of the time. So, maaaring may ipit siya. No? Siya yung naglagay sa sarili niya kasasadlakan itong tao na to. No? Maaaring siya yung maglalagay sa kanyang, kumbaga, kahihinat ng eksena. So, let's see. Ano yung maaari pang masilip natin sa kanya? No? Ano pa yung masisilip natin about sa kanya dito, guys? So, there's an Eight of Cups. Now, there is something moving forward. Oh, there's a Page of Swords, no? There's something spine, looking, watching. So, meron daw ditong, kumbaga, nag-i-stock talaga, no? Nag-aalam-alam tungkol sa mga plano niya. No? And of course, there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition, no? Kumbaga, may mga pagbabago rin dito. Even nung pag-travel, na kumukuha talaga ng information sa kanya dito. Na meron dito parang hindi makaget over, makarecover, parang gano'n. Na parang kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa ng ating president, no, to, kumbaga, against sa kanya, gano'n, ganyan. And there's a tower moment, there's a rebuilding. No, there's a tower moment. No, kumbaga, kung sino man yung taong gusto sumira sa kanya, ay maaaring unti-unti nang bubuuin ulit, no? And there's a Five of Wands. See? Now, there's a competitors. No, meron talaga siya kakompetensya or kalaban dito. No, talagang may gustong sumira sa kanya. Talagang, kumbaga, nakakakuha pa ng informasyon. Ibig sabihin, nasa paligid niya pa to. No? Let's see additional messages. Bila ko sinipon, guys. There's a Seven of Cups. No, there's a lot of opportunities. So, marami pang oportunidad na papasok. And there's a Two of Cups about sa partnership. About sa investment. It's more on investment sa kanya ngayon. And there's a Seven of Pentacles when there's a harvest time. So, may harvest moment talaga. No? And there's a Magician for manifestation. Mayroon siyang mga bagay na mamamanifest talaga. Na mayroon talaga may isa sa katuparan siya dito. Let's see. Additional messages pa tayo pagdating sa ating Angel's messages with a shadow work represent what? For the shadow work represent what? Divine juggling, progress, master different aspect of your life, both light and dark. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan niya maging balance. No, kumbaga, kailangan niyang, kumbaga, maging balance sa kung ano man yung bagay na nangyari. Meron talagang, kumbaga, negative thoughts, so mayroon talagang mga negative opinions, no, kailangan hindi siya nagpapadala doon. No? Ganon. Kasi maraming mga taong ide-distract siya, ganyan. And there's a what lies beneath which is the future. From what lies beneath which is the future. One more card. There's a depression. Meron daw ditong madedepress, guys. Parang meron daw ditong babaeng madedepress, no? There's a depression. And there's an investigating, no? Ay, imbestigahan na tong babae na to. Kaya nai-stress na siya. There's outdated merong about sa mga paper documents na parang, kumbaga, hindi naka-audit or something na parang hindi may tawag dito, yung hindi siya napasok doon, no? Kumbaga merong bagay na mauungkat, ganon. No, there's an investigating. Bakit yun, guys? Ganun, kailangan may facial reaction tayo. There's an investigating, guys. At madade-depress itong babae na to dahil malapit na tumama sa kanya ang bola. Ganon. So, guys, maraming salamat. This is an urgent pasilip na para sa ating president na si President Bongbong Marcos Jr. Maraming salamat, guys, for this wonderful reading. So once again, ito ay pawang gabay lamang upang masilip yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa kanya sa hinahanap upang magsilbing gabay sa kanya. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click ba for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang dinigi-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.